Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing advanced runway techniques for models. All right, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and in those advanced runway techniques, one of the things that we talk about is what to do with our eyes during poses and during turns. One of the first things, and this may not seem advanced, but it is making sure that you're keeping your eye contact in the right spot. So you don't want to be looking down as you're walking, or even if you're looking out and down, try to keep your gaze at that nice even level so that you don't lose contact with where you're going, and you also can keep yourself steady as well on your feet. The next thing is that when you get to the end of the runway, that's where all the photographers are going to go crazy when you get down there. So make sure that you continue that eye contact out towards them. You're not looking at them, but you're looking out in that direction when you're walking forward anyways. So make sure that when you get down there, you allow enough time to get some great pictures, not just for you, but also for your designer as well. And then the next one, also in line with keeping eye contact, is to keep that eye contact as you turn around and head to go back. A lot of times they break contact. I see models at the end of the runway, they're like, okay, I'm done, now I'm just gonna look wherever, turn around and just start walking back like they're just on an afternoon walk. So make sure that when you get down there and you start to turn to come back, that's not the end of it. You are still on the runway, so make sure that eye contact stays constant throughout your entire walk, at the end with those photographers, and then as you turn around and head back. So hopefully this will help you out, will make you look amazing on your next runway show. Do not forget to share this video, comment, like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more content. We'll see you soon.